Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to demonstrate the flip cup method with the paints Lilac, Ocean Green, and Titanium White. First, set the coaster over the cup and make sure it's flat. Next, pour paints individually into the cup. Pour from a high distance so that the paint penetrates the top layer. All of the magic happens inside of the cup. Keep adding the paints one at a time until the cup is full. Once your cup is full, you're going to flip it onto the coaster. Make sure to do this carefully so that no paint gets spilled. Tap on the cup a couple times and remove it gently. Now this is my favorite part of the process. You can start to see the cells popping up through the paint, and make sure to tap out any of the leftover paint that's still in the cup. The more paint you use on the canvas, the better it's going to be. Finally, you're going to pick up the coaster and move the paint all across the surface. Make sure that the whole thing is painted. Use your fingers to guide the paint, especially across the edges and the corners. This will be messy, so make sure to keep a towel or a sink close by so that you can go wash your hands as soon as possible. I felt like the flip cup wasn't enough this time, and since the design is ultimately up to you, you can add lines, dots, run your finger across the paint, anything you want really. These fluid art kits are now available on my website. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Karina and I hope you enjoyed these fluid designs. Bye!